Hello, my name is Chris, and this is a short video tutorial about how to uninstall MapTool from Windows. First, we're going to locate our MapTool directory, then back up and remove the registry keys, and then finally remove the .maptool directory. That'll leave only the install folder itself, but no actual Windows ties, so you can remove that folder if you wish at that time. So, step 1, locate the directory. This is basically where you installed it. I installed it under my downloads and I put it in its own folder. And you know that this is the correct folder because it has the jar file here. Okay, now we're going to back up and remove the registry keys. We're going to open up the regedit program, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. And this is just for validation during the process here. So it's going to be under our current user, software, JavaSoft, and then under prefs, you'll see the MapTool directory. It's there. Under there, we have all our macros and other connection information. So in order to remove it, we have a reg key here to remove the registry entries. But first we're going to save them with mtsave.reg. So I'm going to remove my current one. And with XP and I believe Vista, this one that comes with the download should work. But with Windows 7, nothing happens. It didn't save the file. The main reason is the way it's called. I'm trying to create mtsave.reg, but it didn't. So what I did is I created another bat file, and that one's just slightly different, but not too different. One easy way to create your own is just open up a text file and then type in reg, export, and then when we want the key to MapTool, using the reg edit, we can actually just right click on the branch and we want to copy the key name. Go back to our folder, paste it, and then give it a file name you want to save it to, and make it .reg, and then we don't want the output. And that's how you create that file. So I'll click that batch file, and you'll see that mtsave did work. So now we're going to remove the registry key. And just to validate, we'll look at the regedit, and the key is now gone. And to prove that the save does work, just click on the save file, and it puts the key back. Okay, that's how you remove the registry key. Next, you need to find the .maptool directory. That should be under your user profiles. So under the C directory, usually you have a folder called users, and then whatever your name is, and then .maptool should be a folder there. You can right click and delete that. It has quite a bit of information there if you've been using MapTool for a while, and so it may take a while for you to delete. The main thing is this folder here, Asset Cache. This has all your images that you ever played with and shortcuts to the libraries that they're linked to. And this one in particular, I have 23,000. This is after I already deleted like another 20,000 earlier today. Anyway, that takes quite a while to delete, so just have patience with that. And then once that folder's gone, then MapTool is essentially removed from your system. Also, people like to remove Java at the same time if you want to like clear everything MapTool oriented or related. So that's fairly simple. You just go to the control panel of Windows, uninstall a program, and then anything that says Java, just delete it. You can have multiple versions of Java. For example, I also run the build 87 version, which requires Java 6. Because Java 7 is not compatible with that one. I also have a 64-bit system, so I use that file as well. I recently downloaded this one, but that's actually the wrong version. I would want the 64-bit version of Java. And so by clicking these, this is how you would uninstall them. You can also go to the Java website, and they have a remove older versions link. Just read through and try to click on the correct one. It's kind of a little bit of a maze here to figure out which link to click. But it essentially gets you to the gets you to this screen, the uninstall applet.jsp. And what it'll do is look at your directory and then look for the most current version, and it'll offer to delete the older versions. And you can use that if you like. And that would only install the older versions, not the most recent one. But again, doing the manual way is probably better. And that concludes this demonstration. Thank you very much.